Home renovations take time, they take money, and they take a lot of planning. As such, this video today is going to help you to understand where trends in the kitchen and bath industry are going so that you can make the right choice when it's time to do your project next year. Hi, my name is Vinny Verga, and I'm with Floors Uncovered today to discuss kitchen trends. While white cabinets will always be classic, the current trend is actually shifting over to color. And what I mean by color is specifically blue and green. Blues and greens have become very popular towards the tail end of 2019, and we expect that popularity to grow even further into 2020. What's nice about having this color is it will allow you to pull that into your backsplash, which will create a really nice accent and theme for your room. Being that you're going to have a painted cabinet, a hardwood floor would look really nice to go with it. In fact, we think hardwood is going to be a matching trend on the flooring side for 2020. Our second kitchen trend for 2020 is black matte cabinets. While black glossy was popular in the 80s, black matte is a much more subtle look, and something that we're seeing in a lot of kitchen design catalogs coming up for the 2020 season. Black matte is a sleek, subtle, modern look. So if your home's contemporary, this might be the right style for you. In coordination with this, a warm countertop or backsplash can really create a contrast that will play off of each other and really pop in your room. This dark and warm combination would even carry over well to your floors, so if you can find something with warmth in a flooring, whether that be hardwood or vinyl plank or even porcelain tile, that would really carry it over and complete the look for your kitchen. As I alluded to earlier in the video, our third trend involves hardwood, something that we think is going to be very popular for kitchens in 2020. In addition, we also think that natural stone will be quite popular. Natural products really seem to be making a strong comeback in flooring in kitchens. Typically, hardwood and stone, natural stone, are a more expensive product. So if you're designing your kitchen on a budget, a great alternative would be a really nice looking luxury vinyl plank or luxury vinyl tile. They can emulate the look of stone or wood, but be in a product that's a little bit easier to maintain and certainly a little bit more budget friendly. The fourth trend is minimalizing. This means instead of having a full box for an upper cabinet, stripping it back and maybe putting glass where the door is, or even taking the door off completely and just having it be open shelving. This is a very open look, so it will really make it a very inviting space and add a nice energy to your room. The glass, alternatively, is a little bit more of a style statement, especially if you use a colored glass, which could play off the accent and again, really pull some pop into the room. Now, what's really great about these different trends is that you can actually combine several of them to really have a unique look. Maybe you have a blue cabinet with some open shelving up above, or maybe you do the wood or stone floor with a black matte cabinet. That can look really nice, so feel free to mix some of these different styles. Just know, whatever you do, these will look great and will really be a look that's defined in 2020. We hope this video helped you with your upcoming kitchen renovation. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe. Which of these trends would you be most likely to do if you were redoing your kitchen? Let us know in the comment section below.